Hey guys, welcome back to the series. We completed the nav structure in the previous video. So in this video we are going to build the structure of our main section. So let's go directly below the nav tag, below the closing nav tag, and create our section block. Our section will hold a single class called float right with the text, with an h1 text, h1 an h1 text, sorry, h1 text with the text fill the bits, and directly under our h1 we'll have a paragraph that says take your music wherever you go. After that, let's create a class called form transparent. Let's create our form. Can get rid of the action text. Then in our form we'll create a form block class. The form block class will have a single label. You can delete the full text. You name the label name, and under our label we'll have an input of type text, and we can add a placeholder with the text that says enter your name. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like. Fill the bit. So we can duplicate this form block class. Can duplicate it once for our submit button. Let's duplicate it. After duplicating, we can get rid of the label. We won't be needing that. And we can change our input type to submit. And we can remove the placeholder text, and we can change it to value of type placeholder. So directly above our second form block, we'll create a new class called form split. Then our form split will have another class called form split item, which we will later duplicate. But for now, let's create a label. Our label will get rid of the for. We'll change this to color, and under our label we'll create a select button. Select option would get rid of all this, and our select will have options, and our first option would be black. Can duplicate this 2 more times and change the color to white, and we'll change the last one to neon blue. So since we already have this form split item class, we can duplicate everything, we can copy everything. Then let's create another class, form split. In our second form split item, we can copy and paste everything. We'll change this to connection, and we can get rid of the last option, change the second option to wireless, and change the first to wired. Okay, so since we have this, we can duplicate the entire form splits class. Can duplicate it once. Then we can start by changing the color of the first to delivery method. We want this first option to have a text of express delivery, and the section option would have text way bill. Then we can get rid of this last option, and under would have it, our label will have a text of model, and the model I'll just type a bunch of random codes. Okay, we can duplicate this one more time and just change this also. So let's save and see what our code looks like. So this is what it looks like. So in the next video we'll go directly to styling. So see you in a bit.